Actually, I did take a train ride in Denver, however many years. I don't know where the fuck we were going, but there was a place. It wasn't called Dairy Queen. It was called Dairy King. I don't know if it was like the same but different. Like I don't know, but it was called Dairy King up in some mountains of the fucking Colorado something or other. And my nose started to bleed because of the elevation. Like I had like a Twizzler and I put it in my soda and it was like fizzing all over because of the I guess and then my nose was bleeding too. So that was fun. All of that going all at once. But yeah, it was so fucking beautiful. But here, yeah, the rest the elevation made the soda flat and my ass flat too. No, that's a joke. That's a joke, John. Oh, bless you, baby.
Yeah, see, bless me.
Oh, yeah, see. Which one? We're gonna go. Joshy! Josh! I could have drank all the rest of that, Joshy. Oh, oops. I know you don't care if you spill shit on you. You're like you're the rock star or fucking goddamn whatever of the fuck. You don't care. Josh, when can I make you care about what you're doing to yourself?
You gotta make me. I appreciate it.
I just want to. You can't even answer. Stop it. If you spill that one more time, Josh, you're gonna be in timeout. Josh, if you pour
certain music is time.
Oh, you think timeout is a good time?
Yeah, you give me a spank. Give me a spanking, mommy.
Oh, I'm your mommy now. All of a sudden, okay. First of all, Joshy. First of all, Joshy,